Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology, YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is Lockheed Martin demonstrates next-generation short-range interceptor assembly for U.S. Army Air Defense Program. Lockheed Martin has conducted a live full-scale final assembly demonstration of its next-generation short-range interceptor at its Advanced Manufacturing Technology Center in Grand Prairie, Texas. The event was attended by U.S. Army representatives and marked a milestone in the program's development. The demonstration showcased the assembly of a functional interceptor within a controlled manufacturing environment. It was intended to validate the company's end-to-end production approach and readiness to support operational timelines. Bringing a functional interceptor to life in a demonstration setting underscores our confidence in the end-to-end manufacturing flow we've built, said Chris Murphy. It's a tangible promise to the Army that we can meet operational timelines today and scale tomorrow. The Interceptor is being developed under Lockheed Martin's Missiles and Fire Control Advanced Programs portfolio. The program integrates additive manufacturing techniques to reduce production time and improve scalability. The company said the use of advanced infrastructure and supply chain capabilities allows for efficient and reliable production of complex missile systems. It also supports consistent quality, reduced manual handling, and increased manufacturing capacity. The demonstration facility was established within a 3-month period and is designed to support multiple programs. Features such as dual robot work cells and modular tooling enable flexible production and allow resources to be shifted as priorities change. Lockheed Martin said these capabilities would allow production to scale significantly if required, without compromising quality or consistency. The system is intended to meet potential future demand for increased interceptor quantities. Our goal is simple: give the warfighter mission solutions that deliver a decisive edge in every situation because we understand the urgency of today's defense needs and the importance of being able to scale quickly, Murphy said. The NGSRI demonstration proves we have the tools, talent, and tenacity to make that happen, today and into the future. The company said the demonstration strengthens the program's position as the Army moves toward its next procurement decision. It added that the system is designed to combine advanced technology with scalable manufacturing to support future short-range air defense operations. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 15.